Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your Mercedes Benz. First, turn on your car's ignition. Then, access your car's infotainment system, whether it's Command or MBUX. From there, navigate to the phone or connectivity menu. Before proceeding, please ensure that Bluetooth is already active on your mobile device. This initial step is crucial for a successful and smooth connection process, setting you up for hands-free convenience. Once in the phone menu, select Connect Device or Add New Device on your car's display. Your Mercedes Benz will then become discoverable and should appear in the Bluetooth device list on your mobile phone. Select your car's name on your phone to begin the pairing process. A 6-digit pairing code will display on both screens. Confirm it matches to complete the connection securely. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy a range of convenient Bluetooth features. You can make and receive hands-free phone calls, enhancing safety while driving. Additionally, stream your favorite audio, like music and podcasts, directly through your car's sound system. You will also have access to your phone's contact list and recent call history, all displayed on your Mercedes Benz screen. If you encounter any issues, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, restart both your mobile phone and your car's infotainment system. Sometimes, simply deleting old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both devices can resolve connection problems. For specific guidance, always consult your car's owner's manual. Finally, ensure your phone's operating system software is fully updated for optimal compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.